As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin give us here another green candle. And also we tell you that, you remember what else we told you? We told you from last Friday till today we're going to spend all the week here. And that's what happened exactly guys. A lot of fake gurus online, they're telling you the Bitcoin is going to die, blah 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 blah. Also we told there is no one is selling his Bitcoin those days. Bitcoin is moving those days just by futures. Spot, those ones who hold in Bitcoin spot, no one of them is selling. And exchanges, they run out of Bitcoin spot. So it's only future we saw in here. They try to move it up or down. They try to shake you for you to sell your Bitcoin. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 300 likes. Yes my friend, and know you watching me now, you haven't smashed that like button. So go now and smash the like button, show some support if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much my friend. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also today we enter a short in a coin, his name Zek, as you see it here. What happened to that short we enter in it? It hit in the first take profit, as you see it guys here. It gave us 39% here. Then market now when Mia came, it's going to hit the second take profit, as you see it here. We are 56%. Me personally, I took from it 683, and what it's left, it gave me here $1,000. So if you want to join us and to benefiting from those type of signals and you want to make money with professional people, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. Click at join, finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me here in Patreon in the free Discord and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You've done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see it, Bitcoin give us here in daily a double bottom here. As you see it here, it's not yet breaking the neckline here. So if it's breaking, Bitcoin is going to go back to here exactly at 106k. That if it's happened. But also, we told you here, we got that inside bar here, the one we're still waiting it. If it's going to be broke here, we can catch along. If it's going to be broken down here, we can go more short with it. So that's the view of us. We got another very important thing here in daily. Let me show it to you. Is it the one here? Bitcoin today, it go back. It's breaking for us the 100 moving average. But look at it guys, what is got in the top here. We got in the top here 50 moving average, so we need to break it. But the good news till now, also we touched the lower of that Bollinger Band. Now we are going to touch the top of it, which is exactly at the 50 moving average. Another very important thing, as we show it to you, we told you, look at it guys, look here what's happening to the Bollinger Band. It's giving us here like that bottom of neck, like how it happened here, like how it happened here, like how it happened here in all those places. So there is a squeeze coming guys. We don't know exactly to where, maybe the coming week. We don't know exactly which direction we're going to catch. Maybe above like that, or maybe the Bitcoin going to touch here, then after to give us a squeeze down. Even that one, it's possible guys. But the good news till now here, Bitcoin very quickly go back above that 100 moving average. That's very good. For the bulls to come back, we need to break that 50 moving average, as you see it here with blue. Then we came back again, maybe we'll go back to 106k. So everything is possible now guys. We still have here for short, I showed it to you before, the tails of those candles here. I told you make it like that. If any candle come and break it down here, you can catch a short. For the long, we still have here the downtrend here. Now you are in it guys. You see it here, see it how I started from that one and that one. You remember that down channel as we used to tell you here here about it. We told you we touched the lower of it. We touched the top of the down channel. If we break it, Bitcoin is going to go back above. Maybe from here it's going to fall down again. How you can catch it? You go to lower time frames and you try to catch here price action for short or a price action for continuation pattern. If you don't know how to do those things, you can join our VIP Discord where we can give you daily signals there. Not only in Bitcoin, even in other cryptocurrencies those days, because those days other meme coins they pumping, so also we try to short them. So I think I explain everything to you guys here in Bitcoin in daily. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF, liquidity heat map and the coming news. So let's go in there. Here we are guys, that Bitcoin ETF, as you see in yesterday here, will buy or will sell those ones here, Fidelity and ARK Investment. Fidelity they sold 506 Bitcoin, ARK Investment they sold only 90 Bitcoin. Today what happened? Look at it guys, today what happened in here, our friend Grayscale they sold 346 Bitcoin, ARK Investment they sold 1.02k, BITB today they bought 249 Bitcoin, the hodls they buy 43 Bitcoin, Grayscale Mini today they sold 632 Bitcoin, BlackRock and Fidelity we don't got the data of them, but the total here 1.70k Bitcoin it's being sold. So let's wait that two here what they are going to do. Even like that Bitcoin is pumping today. Now let's go into see liquidity heat map to tell us where is the stop. So let's go in there. Here we are guys, based on liquidity heat map here in 24 hours we got stop losses here, and down here we got a lot compared to above, but here in 24 hours all of them they are going to be liquidated, those ones and those ones, all of them they are going to be liquidated. For us to get clear picture and which direction the Bitcoin is going to go, we need to go from 24 hours to weekly like that, as every time what we do in here. Here in the weekly guys, you remember what else we told you? We told you we used to have stop losses here. Now the place we still have a lot of stop losses is it here 99k and 100k, and we are thinking Bitcoin is going to go back to liquidate all those ones here till 100k. Then from there we can see if we can catch a short or no, but that's the view guys. We got here a very clear uptrend. We're going to show it to you when we're reaching there, but now here it's showing the Bitcoin is going back to 100k. Then from there we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. So I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see the coming news of today. The coming news of today guys, as you see that the news we got today, we got SP Global Manufacturing PMI, SP Global Service PMI and exit in home sales. That one here it maybe is going to affect the US dollar, so you need to be careful from it. Over here is our friend the table of us we're looking at it every day here in that channel. As you see guys, today all US stock or US indices, all of them they bleed in. Nasdaq 100, the SP 500 and the Dow Jones, all of them they fall down today. Down here our friend the VIX is at 15.66. that means scarcity and greed is at medium neutral, as also we tell it to you before. There is nothing to be worried about. Just hold your crypto and your stock till the right time. That's the only things I can tell you guys. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours guys. Here in Bitcoin in 12 hours we tell you we got here that down channel as we showed it to you before. If you remember what else we told you about it, we told you we touched the lower of it, we are going to go to touch the top of it, but it will not be volume, it will be like that, and that's what happened exactly guys. We touched the top of the down channel. Now let's see if we're going to break it here. That's when we're breaking all those moving averages and the Bitcoin is going to go back to 106k. That number one scenario. Second scenario, Bitcoin from here going to dump again to touch the lower of that down channel guys. Everything is very clear. Those moving averages here, we are in a wall guys. As you see it here, we got the 50, we got the 100. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours, and don't forget that level of 98k also used to bounce from it how many times. Look at it guys, we are in it again. levels you need to look at them closer today. Let me show it to you. That level down here where also we bounced 95,486. We got that level here 98,998. We got that one here 102,603, and we got that one down here 90,808. So those was the levels you need to look at them for today, guys. I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see the Ethereum is doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Ethereum we still have here that downtrend like that in 4 hours. It needs to be broke for us to know the bulls they came back again. That number one scenario. Second scenario, maybe the Ethereum just going to touch it enough to dump. Even that one it's possible. May I show you here based on price action here in the Ethereum what me I told you here. I can show you here that symmetric triangle like that, guys. I told it need to be broke either above for us to go more long or down here for us to enter a short. At this time it hasn't break it above or down and it stays sideways here, so also we still waiting till the right time. Now let me show you something very important happen here in the Ethereum in daily. Let me show it to you. Here in the Ethereum in daily, guys, the Ethereum it's breaking for us the 20 moving average as you see it here. Like how it happened here, same thing. The only thing here we touch the 100 moving average and the 50. Over here in daily the 50 it's still far away here, and if we touch it it's going to be the top of the down channel also we just show you in 4 hours, the one here. Let's see what's going to happen there when we're going to touch it. If we see here from daily to 4 hours, here in 4 hours it's breaking for us those moving averages. The only defense we still have here that 100 moving average, which is exactly 2944 or 2944. So those was the levels you need to look close at them. Now let's go into see our indicator we're telling us today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's enter again to the place where is the bears they controlling that, man. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is enter again to the place where is the bulls they controlling that, man. Technically the Ethereum it enter again to a bull market, so we need to wait to see what's going to happen. We still have here that uptrend like that. We still waiting it what's going to happen, if it's going to come back again to touch extreme over both area or no. So we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days, guys. But the only things I can tell you now is going to see Bitcoin do it today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. Same thing. You remember when me I show you that one here? I told you that fake out will happen here. It just to hit stop losses and Bitcoin is going to come back again to here. You can find it in the thumbnail of a video. We used to be down here and me I make it a yellow arrow like that. And I told it's going to go back to touch the top here. Look at it, guys. We are in the top here again. Now, what's going to happen here? There is one of two, guys. Either we're going to fall down again from here, that number one scenario. Second scenario is going to happen that clear wake off pattern here, that fake out here, then Bitcoin to do like that, then to give us another high. Even that one it's possible, guys. So us we still waiting what's going to happen here. The only thing, us we are in a very strong level. A lot of people every time when it reaching here they try to short it in futures. Let's see what's going to happen here in that zone where we are, if we're going to break it or we're going to dump again. That's the only things I can tell you. How you're going to catch it from that zone here? You go to lower time frames and you see if there is any candle indicating Bitcoin is going to dump. You can catch it from there. If we go in here from 4 hours to show you something else here, let me show it to you. Here we break in the 20 moving average. So the next stop, guys, is it above here the 200 moving average, but that level where we are, we got the 50 moving average in daily here. So you need to be careful, guys, if the Bitcoin going to show us a sign going to reverse from here or no. So also we still waiting what's going to happen here in that zone, exactly lower time frames like 30 minutes or something like that. If there is any short, we're going to catch it from there. So I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see our indicator we're saying today here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Our indicator, guys, both of them, as you see, that one here is started changing changing his color to green level. Also, we are in a very stronger level. Should we enter a short? Me personally, I'm still waiting a price action, because price action, as people they follow me, they know it, price action is always the king. So me, I'm still waiting. Either we're going to touch it here. If we touch extreme overbought area, that every time me I short it. So let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days. That's the only things I can tell you guys. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin. I do it today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, same thing. We still have here that uptrend here. You see that uptrend, how I draw it? Go to your chart and draw the same uptrend and wait it. If it's getting broke here, catch a short and go with it. If it's not, there is no short, guys. Now here, he tried to give us a small double top here, but to enter a short based on that small double top, not yet. You need to wait a very clear entry, and the only entry is it the one here. For long now, it's too late to enter a long. That the only things, always if you are a scalper, that's what me have been doing today. I've been scalping it, going above and down. But here, at this time, there is nothing. The only things, me, I'm looking, if it's breaking here, I'm going to enter a short. That's the only things I can tell you guys. So I think I explained everything. Now, let's see our indicator. We're saying today here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it is enter to extreme overbought area. The down one, it's telling us also we are in a bull market here. When we enter here, should we enter a short? I tell it to you, if the one enter to the zone where is the bears the controlling and the Bitcoin breaking for us, that uptrend here, we are going to catch a short. If that doesn't happen, there is no entry short and you can go scalp it now. The only things now for day trading and swing trading is too late to enter. The entry it was from here, and also those days we are busy shorting shit coins. So if you want to join us, we told you what to do. So I think that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. In another video, guys. Bye for now.